The factory represents a huge opportunity for the application of IoT technology, one so big and so real that the governments of the world's 3 largest economies have named it. It's called Smart Manufacturing in North America and Made in China 2025 in China. The European Union refers to it as Industry 4.0, as this wave of impending change represents the 4th industrial revolution. However, if you've ever walked a factory floor, you've seen that the machinery is incredibly diverse. Production equipment originates from many different vendors and connects to different systems that aren't engineered to easily communicate with each other. And yet, these production assets are all generating huge volumes of operational data. Against this backdrop of this complexity and untapped information, manufacturers still need to achieve continuous operational improvement, which is absolutely critical to delivering innovative products on time at the right cost, all while ensuring high quality. To address this challenge and deliver customer outcomes discussed in the manufacturing transformation journey, PTC is extending its market-leading industrial IoT platform, ThingWorx, and is introducing a new set of starter apps allowing factories to rapidly tap into the power and flexibility of IoT in the factory. The ThingWorx IoT platform allows you to get more from the equipment and systems. There's no costly and time-consuming rip and replace of your existing investments. The ThingWorx Manufacturing Apps allow you to quickly deploy industrial IoT with very limited resources and without disruption to today's operations. In order to demonstrate these apps, we've built a fully functioning mock assembly line in our Needham, Massachusetts headquarters. It has a robot, a pneumatic system, a conveyor system, a vision system, and a number of secondary sensors as shown on this compressor, which provide real-time readings of critical parameters. The supply station in the back is bringing in our raw materials, black and white discs. The robot picks up the parts and assembles them with precision. The resulting assembly is then sent to the quality station, where a vision system checks the quality of each assembly by validating proper alignment of the parts. While this mock assembly line represents only a fraction of the true complexity manufacturers are faced with every day, it does a nice job of illustrating the obstacles that ThingWorx is designed to overcome. In the following video segments, you'll discover how the ThingWorx manufacturing apps deliver real-time operational intelligence to optimize efficiency in the factory and unlock unprecedented time to value at all levels of the shop floor.